Believe it or not, there are some apps through services that can actually read your notifications, reply to your messages without you even knowing. And this is found on Android phones with Android 11, 12, 13, 14, and also the new Android 15. I'll show you where to go to find these features, disable them if they are enabled, and let's get started. Whether you're using Motorola phone, Samsung phone, OnePlus phone, Pixel phones, or did I say form? Anyways, use a quick access here and go into the settings toggle right there, this settings icon right here. Once in this section here, I want you now to go all the way to the part that says apps. So go down to the apps section. Every Android phone has a section that says apps. Once you go here, you'll see this here and go down a little bit until you see special app access, this feature right there. Once you're in this section here, you're going to see a whole bunch of different other options that'll probably throw you into craziness. But I want you to go to where it says device and app notifications, this one right here. Once in this section here, you'll be taken to this part right here, of course, and now you're going to see different sections that says allowed and not allowed. So the ones that are allowed, basically, such as the app launcher here, will allow notification access, which is going to ongoing from apps in use and navigations, conversations, all that stuff here. But it gets scary when I show you this right here. So this is enable, but the ones that are not allowed, or probably you have it enabled and you don't know, you'll see when I turn this one on for Google Play services, it's going to say read your notifications. It can read your notifications, including personal information such as contacts, messages, and photos. Then you get reply to messages, including reply to messages and take actions on buttons and notifications, including snoozing, dismissing notifications, and answering calls. Yes, I just read that. So with all that said and done, if you don't want your services doing any of that stuff here, go ahead and disable it. Maybe Moto G app launcher. You don't need to do all that stuff. Perhaps for those of you who do use the Auto Android or Android Auto, go ahead and leave that one on just for safety's sakes. But if you want to really be on a private side, turn them off all. And of course, you can come back and turn these on and give time like it zips.